Hello friends, welcome in today's session. Today we have to solve this sum. Fourth root of k into cube root of k into square root of k bracket close its power 8 is equal to 512. So step number 1, first of all we have to simplify this left hand side. So k into square root of k is equal to k to the power 1 into square root of k can be written as k to the power half. Then base is same sum of the powers. So k to the power 1 plus 1 upon 2, which is equal to k to the power 1 plus half is equal to 3 upon 2. Now cube root of k into square root of k is equal to k into square root of k can be written as k to the power 3 upon 2 bracket close cube root means 1 upon 3. This is equal to k to the power of power means multiplication of powers 3 upon 2 into 1 upon 3. This 3 gets cancelled with this 3 remains 1 upon 2. Hence this is equal to k to the power 1 upon 2. Now k into cube root of k into square root of k, this is equal to k to the power 1 into this one, and this is equal to k to the power half. Base is same, sum of the powers. So this can be written as k to the power 1 plus 1 upon 2, which is equal to k to the power 1 plus half means 3 upon 2. And then taking fourth root of k into cube root of k into square root of k. This is equal to k to the power 3 upon 2 and its fourth root, that is nothing but to the power 1 upon 4. Power of power means multiplication of powers. So this is equal to k to the power 3 upon 2 into 1 upon 4, which is equal to k to the power 3 upon 2 into 4, 8. Now we have to take 8 power of both sides. Hence, fourth root of k into cube root of k into square root of k, its power 8 is equal to, value of this bracket is k to the power 3 upon 8 and its power 8. This is equal to power of power multiplication of powers. This is equal to k to the power 3 upon 8 into 8. Now this 8 get cancelled with this 8, which is equal to k cube. And this is simplified form of left hand side of given exponential equation. Value of left hand side is k cube and right hand side is 512. K cube is equal to 512. Shift this 512 on left hand side. This can be written as k cube minus 512 is equal to 0. Now step 2, we have to solve this equation k cube minus 512 is equal to 0. But we know 512 can be written as 8 into 8 into 8, and which is equal to 8 cube. Hence equation becomes k cube minus 8 cube is equal to 0. Now we have to apply formula a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Hence k cube minus 8 cube can be written as k minus 8 into k square plus 8k plus 64 is equal to 0. But we know a into b is equal to 0. This implies either a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0 or both a and b is equal to 0. Okay, so hence this can be written as k minus 8 is equal to 0 and k square plus 8k plus 64 is equal to 0. Here k minus 8 is equal to 0 gives k is equal to 8. Consider this as k1 which is equal to 8. This is real value or real root. Step 3. K square plus 8k plus 64 is equal to 0. We have to solve this quadratic equation applying this formula. This is quadratic equation in terms of variable x. A is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, and c is constant term. Then solution of this equation is given by x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. K is equal to minus 8 plus or minus square root of 8 square minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 64 divided by 2 into 1. Simplify this. Hence k is equal to minus 8 plus or minus square root of 8 square means 64 minus 4 into 1 into 64. This is equal to 256 divided by 2 into 1 is 2. Again simplify. K is equal to minus 8 plus or minus square root of 64 minus 256 is equal to minus of 192 divided by 2. which is equal to minus 8 plus or minus square root of minus of 64 into 3 divided by 2. This is equal to minus 8 plus or minus I into 8 times square root of 3 divided by 2. Hence, this gives two values. First value is suppose k1, which is equal to minus 8 divided by 2 plus I into 8 root 3 divided by 2. K1 is equal to minus 4 plus I into 4 root 3. Sorry, this is K2. K1 already we have obtained K2. This is second root of given equation. Let us find third root from this value. K3 is equal to minus 8 upon 2 minus I into 8 root 3 upon 2, and this is equal to minus 4 minus I into 8 divided by 2, 4 root 3. This is third root of given equation. So answer is K1 is equal to 8, which is real root. K2 is equal to minus 4 plus I into 4 root 3, and K3 is equal to minus 4 minus I 4 root 3. These three roots are roots of given exponential equation. First root K1 is real root, and remaining two roots K2 and K3 are imaginary roots. So this is answer. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.